Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to allow comments on your Instagram story. If you want to engage more with your followers and have a free-flowing conversation, enabling comments can be a great way to do this. Let's get started on allowing comments so your audience can share their thoughts and reactions to your stories. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your Android device. Find the Instagram icon and tap to open it. Next, at the top left corner of your screen, you'll see Your Story. Give that a tap to access your story screen. Now once you're here, look for the gear icon located at the top right. This icon represents settings and will allow you to customize your story features. Tap on that gear icon. After that, you'll see a list of options. Tap on Story to dive deeper into story-specific settings. Now, here's where the magic happens. Under the commenting section, you'll see the option that says Allow Comments. Tap on that to turn on comments for your stories. Finally, you have two choices for who can comment. You can select Everyone to allow all users to comment, or choose People You Follow if you prefer to restrict comments to just your friends and followers. Make your selection based on your comfort level, and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled comments on your Instagram story. Engaging with your audience just got a whole lot easier. Enjoy connecting and chatting with your followers.